Build Show. Steve Basic Architect. I am out on the job site. You can see Shoreline Builders. But what if I told you every one of those rafters that you see up on our little pop out, all of the rafters on the main roof, everything that's going to go on the little garage roof, the porch roof, the lower hip there, yeah, they all got delivered, they were all numbered, and they were all cut, including bird's mouth, soffit cut, plumb cut, all cut 30 miles away from here, delivered while the wall frame was going up. So that the framers, as soon as walls were done, they came out here, they grabbed bundles, they brought them inside, and they started putting that roof on. Yeah, the topic today, we're gonna jump inside. We're talking about the Ready Cut roof system.
Come see Steve Basic at Build Show Live. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description for tickets.
All right, Build Show. So I actually grabbed one of the smaller jacks out of the bundle there so that we could talk a little bit about what happened out at the lumber yard. So we have the bird's mouth. The bird's mouth here, that's basically where the rafter sits on the plate, right? And then that continues down. This is where we make up the soffit, and then this is where we make up the fascia. So this has a plumb fascia box soffit here where it'll go back, that plumb cut, and then on this end here, you can see this has got a bevel cut here because this is a jack that's actually gonna run up and will either have a hip or a valley rafter that this is going to tie into. But the thing that I wanted to point out in grabbing all of this is that all of these cuts that I just explained there, these all happened somewhere else. And everything about putting this house together is based on time, right? The faster I can get it done, basically, or potentially, the more money that we can make. And the more accurate that we can do things, then the less chance for mistakes, the less chance for slowdowns or fixes, all of that stuff. Also, if this is all getting cut off site, that means we're potentially not using a whole lot of saws and stuff here, which means we've taken some of the harm factor out of the game. But the thing that I really love about this system and that I would appreciate if I were a general contractor is what I'm calling parallel tasking, right? So we have this roof system, but the reality is that this rafter was being cut while the framer was assembling walls here, right? So it's not like the linear path of let's do the foundation, then we'll do the floor frame, then we'll do the wall frame, then we'll do the roof frame. And the framer can't really be cutting the roof when he's concentrating on the walls. He has to concentrate on the walls. But by having the task displaced at the lumber yard, one, all of that lumber is inside a controlled facility. So it's nice, clean lumber. It's not warped, it's not twisted. It is cut in that factory. It's bundled and then shipped out here and literally goes into place within a couple days of it getting delivered. But the other thing about the roof is that it is all immediately getting disassembled upon the completion of the wall frame, right? So you have this kind of parallel tasking while the framer is here installing all of the walls and putting them up, plumbing them up, doing all of that, this roof frame was being cut somewhere else. And to immediately go from walls to erecting the roof frame saves a boatload of time. And in this case here, Shoreline Builders loved it, the framers loved it. They did Ready Frame Package on the last project. Here, they included the Ready Cut roof system. And from what I can tell, it is nothing but pure success. I'm gonna put this back on the pile, I'm gonna head inside and I'm gonna show you when all of this stuff comes together, how pretty it actually looks. So let's head on inside and we'll continue the chat. Right now, we're talking about the ready cut roof system. I don't know if that's the official name. It's what I'm calling it because it's parallel to the framing system. So we talked about this wall here with the ready frame, but look at this mastery. You know, it is certainly not the most complex roof, right? And when you come out and take a look, and you look at all of the bird's mouths and how they all align perfectly with that top plate. We have our soffit cuts on the outside. Notice where all of these jacks come into either that minor or this larger valley. Those are all very tight fitting joints in there. And it's as good as anything I've ever seen on a job site. In a previous project, Shoreline Builders was introduced to the ready frame, and they had an exceptionally good experience there. The framer really loved it. And so not only did we do the ready frame package here, but Ready Frame said, you know, we can cut your roof too off-site and deliver it. And Jim and the framer jumped at the opportunity. And as you can see, everything is, you know, fitted nicely. When you look at a roof like this, somebody has to figure all this out. Now, we figure it out in the roof framing plan, and then we give it to Jim, and he gives it to BFS, and they do their engineering cutting and cut list and stuff. But the reality is when you're putting together a house and you're doing all this, every piece of wood you see here has to get calculated for, figured out, the length, the bird's mouth, the cuts, all of that stuff has to get figured out. And the beauty of this and the ready cut roof system is all of that is happening while the framer is out here framing the walls. They're framing walls now, and while they're framing walls, someone is down at that factory and they're cutting all of these rafters. They're labeling them, they're numbering them, they're putting them in bundles, they're strapping them together, and upon immediate completion of the wall system, guess what happens? All of the roof cut system gets delivered. You just have to figure out where this piece goes in the puzzle. You can see all of this beautiful work, all of those beautiful cuts, all of this was happening while the roof framing was happening. Yeah, you might be taking the work from one or two framers out on a project like this, but like the framer said, he could take those one or two guys and he could put them on another project. So while he's parallel tasking the walls, the roof, foundation on this project, his guys are also working on another project in parallel with the project that he's working on. Does it all come at a cost? Yes, it does come at a cost, but Jim said it's probably a wash with the time. I don't know the number. We talked about it on the last project, and I was astonished at how low the number was, but all I can suggest to you is go check out and see for yourself. I'm gonna just make my way over here as we close out the video, and because this is pretty stuff, man. You know, this is the artwork framers dream of, right? There's Picasso had paints, framers got 2x10s and nails. Yeah, that looks beautiful. So, where do we go from here? Well, if you want more, guess what? I'm one of the first contributors to the Build Show, which means I have over 500 videos in my library on the Build Show. If you're a longtime subscriber, which I know there's a lot of you out there, I've met you at conferences and stuff, I want to say to you, I greatly appreciate it. I know you always come up to me and say, oh my God, Steve, thank you so much. I really appreciate everything you do for the industry and putting the stuff out there. It's only half the equation. If you guys don't take the time to watch it, don't take the time to educate yourselves, and more importantly, put that into a call for action. And a huge thank you from me to you for watching those videos. I greatly appreciate it. So thanks. If you do want to meet in person, I'm going to give you the opportunity. September 10, 11, 12, San Antonio, Texas. You know what's happening? Build Show Live. Yes, I have a bunch of presentations down there. I'm very excited. I'm bringing Stevos and Lexi. I think my wife might even be coming on this trip. We're going to be down there. Build Show Live. Lexi and I are doing a presentation. I'm doing another one with my good friend Peter Yost. I'm doing one with 3 builders just like you that I've plucked out of the crowd. They've been to the first 2 Build Show Lives. I've done some projects with them. I said, you know what, guys? Let's get up on stage and we'll share those experiences with people in the seats, just like you the last 2 years. But I certainly look forward to meeting you. Don't be a stranger. Come down to Build Show Live. I'm looking forward to seeing you out there. You can find me on social media on all the major channels. Yeah, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn. But anyways, if you haven't checked out the other video, the companion video where we talk about the Ready Frame Wall System, I encourage you to go check out that video. They both dropped today, this one and that video, because then you'll get a really good sense of what we're doing out here. But short of that, I look forward to seeing you sometime in the future, meeting you. Hopefully it's at Build Show Live, San Antonio, Texas. I'm Steve Basic, Architect. This is the Build Show. Until next time, long live our buildings.